Hello guys. Are you facing login issue in Call of Duty Warzone mobile game and cannot play the game? Well, there is no need to panic as most of the users have reported about facing issue in login to Warzone Mobile. Make sure you have an Activision account to log in to COD Warzone mobile game. If not, then you have to click on sign up to create a COD account. Fill up all the details required to create an account. Once done, verify the account receive on your mail. It's very important part as you cannot log in to the COD account if you have not verified it. Once done, go back to login option and enter all the credentials required to enter into the game. Apart from Activision account, if you are playing the game with Xbox, PlayStation, Steam or other, then log in with their account by clicking on the icon below. So this video has suggested how to log in to your Call of Duty Warzone mobile game to enjoy the game hassle-free.